This indicator is not for everyone. If you're looking for free signals, skip this video. I'm using a private indicator on MetaTrader 4 trading platform that gives me precise, high-accurate entries. Now focus here. You see these arrows? These are not random. These are structured signals. Now I'm switching to US dollar to Canadian dollar, and based on the same signals, I'm taking a sell trade right here. If you truly want to trade independently, without relying on anyone else's signals, and build confidence in your own analysis, then this indicator can be a strong support tool for you. It helps you understand market structure, gives you clear entry points, and guides you toward more disciplined trading. And if you want access to this indicator, you can reach out to us. All the details are in the description. Remember, success in trading comes from consistency, not shortcuts. Learn, practice, and grow. Right here, the market was moving down, and the moment this signal appeared, the market reversed. Look at this. The move started exactly from this point. Now watch this. I took a trade based on the same signal, and the result. $256 profits. I've spent a lot of time testing and refining this indicator. This is not a random tool. But again, this is not everyone. Only serious traders will understand its value. If we serious about trading want to level up. If you also want VIP trading signals like this, you can join my Telegram channel. The VIP group link is available in my bio. So just click the link and join my Telegram.